Hello everyone. What I have today is a Gen 1 Kwikset Smartkey. I'm going to try to show you how to pick one of these. I'm going to go top of the keyway tension and just using a 25 thousandths hook from Rare Element Lockpicks. Now I'm going to go heavy tension because they're not exactly pins. They're more like wafers with little teeth on them, like saw teeth. So when I get that first big click, I want it to be in the gate. I don't want to have to click through every little tooth. Yeah, there's about 10 teeth on each of the wafers. When we get it picked, I'll show you what I'm talking about. Gotta get that tension just right so you can skip all those little teeth. And just get right into the gate. Just like that. There we go. I'm gonna move this over here and we'll gut it. Let's see. I don't think I'm gonna need that. Now this just kind of wiggles off. So we'll go ahead and get it out of the way. You know what, let's lock it up. Oh, no need. Alright, now when we slide this out of its sleeve, first let's lock it back up. Ah, shit. Okay, oop. Well, it came right on out. I thought I was gonna have to pick it again. Now I want to show you the way the sidebar works. Right now it's not pressed in because of course all the wafers just dropped again. But let me find my tweezers. You can see it is unmodified. you look in there, you'll see there's our 2 springs. We're going to leave those alone. Just very carefully pull this off. See, all of the drivers are there. Lay that down for just a second. I want to show you the way these work. Come on, focus. Yeah, these little teeth here, as you're picking it, you know, all these just move up and down, and your sidebar goes right in through here. So when everything's picked, you'll have that clear. The sidebar can press into it. And once the sidebar's out of the way, it is no longer protruding through here, so it allows the core to turn. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Anyway, thanks for watching. That was the Gen 1, I do believe, Kwikset Smartkey without the key. Anyway, everyone, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.